What if one man decided the entire world's chip supply wasn't enough and built his own from scratch? Elon Musk is preparing to spend $119 billion, not on rockets, not on cars, on a single chip factory called Terafab. That number started at $25 billion. It exploded, and it's still climbing. But why chips? Because every Tesla, every Optimus robot, every Starlink satellite, all of it runs on chips. A modern Tesla isn't just a car, it's a mobile AI machine processing millions of decisions every single second. And when robotaxis go fully driverless at massive scale, the chip demand becomes almost impossible to imagine. Optimus is even more demanding. A humanoid robot needs chips that understand balance, objects, and unpredictable humans all at once. Then there's Starlink. Musk doesn't just want satellites beaming internet, he wants them processing AI in orbit. So he's not buying more chips, he's building the factory that builds the chips at a scale nobody has ever attempted. Terafab could eventually cover 100 million square feet, 10 times the size of Gigafactory Texas. And the target? 1 terawatt of computing per year. That's roughly twice the scale of the entire US power grid in processing power. To reach that, Terafab may need to produce close to 4 billion chips per year. Two chip families are at the center, the AI5, AI6, and AI7 for robots and robot taxis, and the D3, built to survive the brutal conditions of space. A chip flaw spotted on a Texas road at midnight could be fixed, refabbed, and redeployed faster than any competitor on Earth. This is how Musk turned Tesla into a software company. Now he wants to do the same thing to hardware itself.